Every once in a while, a car rolls into view that doesn't just stop you in your tracks, it rewrites the whole dang rulebook. And folks, this is that car. This is a 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona with a 426 Hemi in it. And this Daytona has been authenticated by Bobby Allison himself. That's right, NASCAR legend, Hall of Famer, and leader of the Alabama gang. In the late 1960s, Chrysler wanted to win, period. So they took a Charger, chopped the rear window, stretched the nose, slapped a massive wing on the back, and called it the Daytona. Why? Because it was built to dominate Daytona and Talladega and anywhere else that wanted to fight. And this car, this winged warrior, is a spectacular representation of that. I mean, look at this nose cone. Dodge engineers stretched it almost 19 inches to get those aerodynamics to cut through the wind, because where that factory grille was at 200 miles an hour, it was never going to happen. So how did they do it? You got a little help from the boys at NASA. That's right, Dodge engineers talked to the missile division at NASA to get this thing so smooth and aerodynamic. And this wing is famous. You think about it, it had to be tall enough for the trunk to still open, but yet functional enough to create real downforce as this car is ripping through the wind on the racetrack at 200 plus miles an hour. I'm just driving a Daytona. I mean, this whole car looks like a science experiment. And you know what? It worked. It worked so well, in fact, that NASCAR banned them after one season. Wah, wah. Now, this is where things get really serious. That right there, folks, is Chrysler's legendary 426 Hemi. They called it the elephant engine because of its size and power. And this one has a special cowl plenum intake on the top end of the engine bay, which was not available on a factory-built car for the public. I mean, that right there, that's what dreams are made of. At least my dreams. It's rare enough to find a Daytona with a Hemi, but one with this kind of documentation and originality, you're talking less than a handful, folks. Inside here, no frills, no nonsense, just driver and machine. It tells you what this thing was all about. It is pure muscle inside here. Can you even imagine what it would have been like to race one of these? 426 Hemi and your right foot, go. If you love NASCAR, Mopar muscle, or just great American stories, this car is all three. And it's crossing the block at Mecum, Monterey in August 2025. Legends like this don't come around often. This right here, this is why we love cars.